Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So friends, welcome back to my Annapurni Food Express. Today I made for you a special recipe and everyone like this recipe so much. Yes friends, today I made for you Dal Poori recipe. In morning time when I go for the office, I see that on the street side everyone ate Dal Poori, Puri or Luchi. Seeing that, I think everyone love this recipe so much. That's why today I take this recipe. I made this recipe with moong pulses. Also, I made this recipe in different way. In rainy season, if everyone serve this type of dal puri in morning time breakfast, then the breakfast will be very enjoyable. So today I serve potato, capsicum and tomatoes curry sabji. So let's go and see how this dal puri made. For making the recipe, first I take here 100 grams of gram pulses. Then I boil the gram pulses very nicely. You can see it boiled fully. You can see it is fully boiled. Now I take a karai and give some oil into that and hot it. After that I give the boiled moong pulses here. After giving all the boiled moong pulses, now I will add salt and turmeric powder into it. After that I will give here green chili, ginger and white cumin paste. After giving the paste, I mix all the ingredients very nicely and fried it into medium flame and stir it continuously. If you don't stir it, it will be burned out. After 5 to 6 minutes, you can see it looks like a dough. After looking like a dough, now I will cool it on a bowl. Now I will take 250 grams of flour on another bowl and give salt, baking soda and baking powder into that. After that I give some oil on that. After giving the oil, now I will mix all the ingredients very nicely with my hand. You have to mix it how you made the luchi, like this. After mixing all the ingredients very nicely, now I will give some hot water into that. You have to give the water at a time and mix it very nicely, because if you give the water so many times, the dough will be so hard. That's why you have to give the water at a time and mix it very nicely and make a smoother dough like this. You can see it looks like a dough. Now I will cover it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see our dough soft very nicely. Now I will mix it very nicely little more and smash it with my hand little more very nicely. After smash it, you can see it makes so soft. Now I will take some lychees from this. I take here big size of lychee, that's why I made 5 pieces of lychee with the 250 grams of flour. Now I will take one lychee from this and rest of the lychee I take into a bowl. Now I will roll it down with my hand like this. You can see. After rolling it down, now I will spread the lychee like this so that we can fill the moong pulses filling into the lychee very nicely. You can see I spread the lychee very nicely. Now I will give the moong pulses filling into that. Here you have to remember one thing, you don't give the filling so much. You give medium size of filling. Now I will seal the upper part of the dough very nicely and roll it out very nicely. After rolling it, you can see I use some flour to roll it very nicely. Now I will roll it with a roller. You have to roll all the side very nicely and equally. Don't give any pressure here. You have to roll it very nicely. After rolling it, now I will take a karai and give some oil into that. After hot it, now I will give the luchi into that and fried it very nicely. When you fried it, you have to keep the flame medium and fried it very nicely in one side. After frying it very nicely, now I will flip it and fry another side of the luchi. You can see it makes so fluffy. You can see. After makes it fluffy, now I will flip it again and fry the another side of the luchi. After flipping it, you can see now I will put the gas low and fried it very nicely and make it crispy. So friends, you can see after 1 or 2 minutes our puri fried very nicely and it looks so delicious. Like this I will fry rest of the dal puri. After fried all the dal puri very nicely, now I will serve it on a plate. Also I serve with some sabjis. So friends, please try this recipe at your home and comments me how tasty it is. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Also subscribe my channel. I serve it with tomato, capsicum and potatoes curry. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.